welcome back to another YouTube video where I'm going to be working. Probably not working today, but showing you my Chevy truck. Let's get it. Alrighty. So, there's the motor. I'm going to get you closer to it. That's what it looks like. That's the old school version. And it makes it sound louder. And, yeah. So, we rebuilt the transmission. It's in, runs great, shifts on the road. Yeah, pretty good at it. But the thing is, you see how rusty them headers are? They're pretty rusty. So, eventually I gotta replace them with like new headers, but it's gonna be very expensive. So, I'm gonna have to work for that. Sorry. And then, right there, those are, right here, those are called valve covers. If you didn't know that. But, I need new of those for my truck. After that, it's gonna look very good. And then, once, if you see my other shorts, you might know that I need a new grill. I'm gonna get new headlights. It needs repainted. It's a lot of work that needs to it, so. Well, if you enjoyed the video, you probably didn't, because, it's not really interesting, but if you did like it, please like and sub for more content. I gotta get to work. See you in the next one.